these trees blocking all the view.
Yeah. Pretty soon they will start.
They cut the shooting off?
Yeah, it's a different one.
Look, was that?
It's a harass or
What's that back there? Yeah, that's sparks, huh?
it's not a spark, I guess.
That's Carnivore.
Yeah. Carnivore over this way, D.
Carnivore is by the tree. Carnivore by the tree, right here.
That's not Calneva.
Right here.
That's Circus.
Yeah, circus is here.
Calneva is to your right.
Yeah, that's circus.
Laughing to myself. I said, "Damn, boy, you was a 40." Yeah, that's Circus.
Oh yeah, I see. Oh,
You understand what I'm saying? That's in the back. See, because that's a parking lot, right?
I see it.
That's Circus parking lot.
I see it.
Yeah,
I know this town, dude.
yeah, they are doing
That's in the
from
Sparks.
back.
Yeah, that's in Sparks.
That's in Sparks.
You
They,
getting it, family?
Mhm.
You getting it too. You getting it? You getting it? You getting it?
yeah.
Yeah, you getting it. He getting it?
That's in Sparks.
That's Sparks.
Reno
Part of
has not
Sparks.
started yet.
Be right over that Circus sign. Yeah, he got it. He getting it.
That's on the back side.
Exactly. That's
Yep.
what I'm saying. That's Sparks. That's part of Sparks. That's the Sienna.
I got you now.
Oh, Johnny Sparks. That's the Sienna. Look. That was
The
a good
nugget.
one. That was a good one. That was a good one. Ooh, that's a nugget. That's Sparks. Them fireworks come from Sparks.
So Reno's
I bet my right arm on that.
Reno's not popping
No,
yet.
no, we through with Reno. This is us right here. This is us right here. That's Sparks. Ballpark this way, so there ain't the ballpark. That's Sparks. The ballpark is this way. Look at my arm, that way. That's Sparks.
View is good. I'm like zooming in.
Look at between.
I
Look
see
at between.
it. I see it.
between?
I see it. Uh-huh.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
in the bottom.
You getting it between?
Yeah.
Yeah, he getting it. He got a good steady hand too. Keep it still, family. Keep it still.
Oh, he got it.
Yeah,
I
he
can see it from here.
getting some good shots.
Mm-hmm.
He getting good shots. That's Sparks, little one. That's Sparks.
Yeah.
They going off. Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah, once they're done, Reno
No,
will
they're not
start.
done yet. Keep it focus. They're not done.
So Reno is done?
Yeah, Reno is.
There's
Reno's
nothing
Sparks.
over here in Circus Circus? That was it
We
down
done.
there?
We done. I tell you, Sparks fireworks better than Reno's now.
Oh yeah.
That's all that Sparks. Sparks fireworks is better than Reno.
see
Been
the
better than
fireworks on
Reno's
the
for the
side.
last few years. Sparks been better.
John Squaggers, nothing.
Yeah, and Sienna been better. Them coming from John and Squaggers and Sienna. Because John and Squaggers got them 2 towers. They got 2 towers.
Yeah, that's Sparks.
Yeah,
That's no
Sparks.
Circus.
That's Sparks. Come on, man. Every time I gotta tell you that. Just saying. And it ain't the ballpark. Ballpark that way.
They already
Over
did
these
that.
trees, yes.
They did their own over
Yes,
there.
yes.
That was nothing.
It's bullshit.
That was bullshit.
Sparks is cool. Look at that.
Yep.
Whoa!
Slide is coming faster and the sound is coming later.
That final finale, that was right. That was too fucking close. Look at the dust. That's the ballpark. Let's think about it. If we go this way, we can't. Ballpark is right here.
That's not the ballpark.
That's the ballpark. That's the ballpark.
The ballpark is right here.
We were thinking that that's the ballpark. That's the ballpark. Swear to
No.
God, that's the ballpark.
Don't get me
The
twisted,
smoke is
man.
right here. We see smoke. We don't see smoke from spark from here. That kind of smoke.
Oh, that's Sparks. Now you're twisting yourself.
That's the ballpark. Swear to God.
You wanna tell me Circus is not gonna pull that kind of stuff?
That's the fucking parking lot of Circus Circus. If you just go straight, like just straight,
But the fireworks are
you
coming
going
from.
straight to the ballpark. You gonna
They're coming from.
You gonna go right over the bus
You're
station.